Welcome to the Built by Rich channel. Check out the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it.
All right, leaving APR right now, heading over to HPS. Not many cars at APR, but overall it was still pretty cool. Met my sponsors out there. Mega Life was out there, so hang out with them. Hang out with my boy Johnny.
In 3.5
cool.
miles, turn right onto Holt Boulevard.
It was cool, so heading over to HPS and get my head done and be good to go. Let's go. All right, just finished here at HPS with my boy Fred. I got the motor back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, right there. And then he also gave me some extra stuff. Got the head gasket, the exhaust gasket, some oil filter, and some new spark plugs. So yeah, he took care of me. Awesome guy. So if you guys need your motor built or anything like that, just hit up my boy Fred at HPS here in Ontario. If you need the info, just hit me up. I'll happily provide it to you. All right, here we are again. The head is off the car because I am replacing the head. I don't know if you guys watched the video from before. I replaced the valve seals and put some sealant on the bolts, but I'm still getting oil in the cylinder, number 7 cylinder. I had told Fred at HPS, and he basically replaced my head at his dime, and which is cool because he basically stands behind his work. And so that's what we're doing today. We're replacing the head, and hopefully the smoke goes away, no more oil consumption, and I can beat on this thing. At least that's the plan. So that's the plan for today, and let's see how far we get. One of the miscellaneous junk that I'm glad I didn't throw away, because I had left the dowel pin at the old head, and you need these to align the head with the block. It goes right in here, and that makes sure your head is centered and your gaskets are centered. And I couldn't find them anywhere locally. I would have to order it online, which I didn't want to do because I wanted to put the head back in today. So glad I didn't throw this away. One time that it pays off to collect junk. All right, back to work. All right, we got brand new head gaskets on, just ready to drop in the head. So got it all cleaned up, well, mostly cleaned up. And yeah, I'll skip the rest and just show it to you guys when it's all done. All right, well, as you can see, it's still smoking. Unfortunately, the motor does need to come out. It seems like the rings on the pistons didn't seat right during braking period. Therefore, it's letting oil come into the cylinder. That's the only thing I can think of, since the head has already been replaced and we sealed pretty much anything that we can seal where the oil is coming could come from. So the motor does need to come out, and tomorrow I do have a car show, so I'm gonna take it out there. Hopefully nothing happens, nothing bad happens during my journey tomorrow, and hopefully I can make it back without an issue, and then I can start beginning to taking off the engine and hopefully fix it once and for all. This time I'm gonna have Fred do pretty much everything from beginning to end, and then we can put it on his engine dyno. That way we can see, one, how much power it's actually making on the crank, because we did see it's a little down on power for what it is. So that way we can figure that out, and then as well as you can get a proper break in on the dyno, and that way I can just slap it on and it could just be good. So that's the plan. Tomorrow, like I said, I do have a car show, so hopefully nothing happens. And then, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and see what happens next. Catch you guys next time.